Today we are looking into a bike from a brand that has proven itself so well in these past years. It is built right here in South Africa at a plant in Gqeberha. Same with all its predecessors for the past 4 decades. This bike is equipped with LED daytime running lights and it truly looks great. Bikes have really taken a big step up when it comes to styling these days. I've seen pictures of this generation's facelift, which looks a bit more aggressive on the front end and still having the good looks. This orange paintwork is also my color of choice. In the load bin, we have this nicely designed sports bar. This bike that we are reviewing today does not have the roller shutter installed, which is something I will definitely ensure I get if I purchase this bike. The design of the tail lights is something that took me some time to get used to. I think it just looks good. I think it's fine. It is powered by a 3-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, which has an output of 140 kilowatts and 450 newton meters of torque. It is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the fuel consumption is claimed around 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers. It is quite a strong engine that has been around for years now. It just had some tweaks done to it. While on the outside, this bike is definitely one of the best looking. On the inside, it is just normal. It's just a simple interior. You have this multifunction steering wheel with your adaptive cruise control and also audio controls. You also get this analog cluster. There's a 9-inch infotainment system screen in which you will get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and even a reverse camera. You still have buttons below the screen to use for volume and other things on the infotainment screen. You have dual zone climate controls, which are also not on the screen and are easy to access and use. Surrounding your automatic transmission gear lever are some buttons, one of them being for a diff lock. You have 2 cup holders in the middle and some storage under the armrest. In the back you get these 2 air vents and this USB port which you can use to plug in your phone and charge. Let us look into the safety features that you get with this one. You get autonomous emergency braking, intelligent speed limiter, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning and prevention, traffic sign recognition, and adaptive cruise control, amongst the others. It has a towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms or 3.5 tons, which is the same that I've seen in most bikes. Now let us look into the warranties and service plans. This Isuzu comes with 5 years 120,000 kilometer warranty and roadside assistance, 5 years unlimited kilometer anti-corrosion warranty, and 5 years 90,000 kilometer service plan. The starting price of this Isuzu D-Max 3-liter DDI V-Cross 4x4 Auto is 916,400 Rand. And for the 2-wheel drive V-Cross, which is rear-wheel drive, is 867,600. I honestly think this Isuzu is definitely a bike that is worth considering. And against a lot of its competitors, this is something I will definitely go for. It truly is value for money.